Okay, here we go. We are now at the newly renovated Harbour View Suite at Four Seasons Hong Kong. So when we walk in, that's the powder room. And then, wow, that is the Victoria Harbour View. Let's take a look with the amazing view. And this is the living room. This is quite a big area with a nice dining area, nice big TV. And because we booked the celebration package, it includes the champagne and some celebration for our anniversary. And as you can see, the newly renovated rooms all get very nice decor. Everything got freshened up, which is very nice with the nice view. So now I just walk in. Okay, this is a small area that they have the tea set as well as the whiskey glasses and such. And then now here we go. It's the nice corner panorama bedroom. Oh my God, it's really nice. Imagine you wake up every morning like this. It's amazing. And this is our celebration. The decor, very tastefully, not too much, very tasteful. And we can actually see our home right over here. Okay. Walking in is like a walk-in closet area. It's not too big, but it's okay. And then this is the bathroom with the rain shower. People, ask about the amenities. Actually, is Bulgari. And actually, the bathtub also has the sea view, but very small window. And the bathtub is not very big. It's like a standard one-person size. So there we go. We can actually get back out from this side and see the view again. So we are going to have a nice vacation celebrating our anniversary here. Thanks for watching.